Do you love tech? Do you want to make money with it? If so, you're in luck. There are many ways to make money with tech, even if you don't have a degree in computer science. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money with tech that are both intriguing and profitable. These are just a few of the many options available, so don't be afraid to explore and find what works best for you. Are you ready to learn how to make money with tech? Let's get started. 1. Start a tech blog or website. This is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others, and it can also be a great way to make money through advertising or affiliate marketing. To start a tech blog or website, you'll need to choose a niche and create content that is relevant to that niche. You can also write about your own experiences with tech, or review new tech products and services. Once you have a following, you can start monetizing your blog or website through advertising or affiliate marketing. Advertising is when you place ads on your blog or website, and you earn money each time someone clicks on an ad. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services on your blog or website, and you earn a commission each time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. 2. Create and sell tech products or services. If you have a great idea for a new tech product or service, you can bring it to market and sell it to others. This can be a very lucrative way to make money with tech, but it also requires a lot of hard work and dedication. To create a tech product or service, you'll need to have a good understanding of the tech industry and the needs of your target market. You'll also need to be able to develop and market your product or service effectively. Once you have a product or service that you're confident in, you can start selling it through your own website or through online marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. 3. Freelance as a tech consultant or developer. If you have skills in tech, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals as a consultant or developer. This is a great way to make money on your own terms and build your own business. To freelance as a tech consultant or developer, you'll need to build a strong portfolio of your work and establish a reputation for quality. You can also network with other tech professionals to find opportunities. Once you have a few clients, you can start building your business and charging more for your services. 4. Teach tech skills online. If you're good at explaining tech concepts, you can teach others online through platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. This is a great way to share your knowledge and make money at the same time. To teach tech skills online, you'll need to create a course that is informative and engaging. You can also offer live or recorded classes, or create interactive exercises for your students. Once you have a course that you're happy with, you can start marketing it to potential students. You can also promote your course through social media or online advertising. 5. Invest in tech startups. If you're feeling adventurous, you can invest in tech startups. This can be a risky proposition, but it also has the potential to be very rewarding. To invest in tech startups, you'll need to find startups that you believe in and that have the potential to be successful. You can also invest through crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Once you've invested in a startup, you'll need to be patient and wait for it to grow and become profitable. These are just a few of the many ways to make money with tech. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring and find the perfect way to make money with tech for you. That's all for this video. I hope you found these 5 ways to make money with tech intriguing and profitable. If you're interested in learning more about any of these methods, I encourage you to take action and start exploring the possibilities. The tech industry is constantly evolving, so there are always new ways to make money. The best way to find the right opportunity for you is to start researching and experimenting. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.